Right, good evening from Izium. The alarms are booted off. I just thought I'd give you an idea what it's like, okay? Nearly fell down the bloody stairs then. But listen. This town's been through so much. So, imagine that, 6 or 7 times a day to a town that's already been absolutely battered. Imagine the children. A lot of them are used to it, but some, when that goes off, their biggest fears materialise. Okay, so it's just a little, so it works. You get that 6 or 7 times a day in Izium, if not more. Okay, so, bit of reality for you. Thank you everybody for your donations. Take good care and Doppelbatch here.